Charlie and the numbers. Oh, you shouldn't be eating chips and nuggets. Oh, 12.
You can't get it fast enough.
Harry, you can't get all that down in your neck, man.
I have to keep scooping it out. That's why I have to keep stopping filming.
It's just tasty, isn't it? It's probably all the salt I put on it.
Oh, don't tell me that.
Oh no. No, I didn't. You're listening? That's lies. No, swallow that first.
I've had to take the chicken off him and just leave breadcrumbs and chips.
God, he loves chips, doesn't he?
He started when he saw chips.
Let's give you a drink.
You're thinking, I don't want to drink, that's healthy.
Maybe you'll wash some of that stuff down in your mouth. That's orange juice, by the way. Mixed with vodka. To make him sleep. Don't put me on it, love. Oh.